Hello. Okay, today again we are going to discuss about the uh, program. So let's go for that. So these are the questions we have to discuss here. So first question is there. What is search engine? So search engine. So it is the application, and this application helps us to search the data entered by a user on the internet. Next is what is business done through the internet call. So that's called e-business. How we can sell to the e-commerce done using internet. What is the default size of text field in MS Access? What is the default? The default size of MS Access. Okay, sorry for that. So when you talk about the default size, it varies from version to version. Its older version it was low, and in the latest version it is in longer value. So in older versions of same as access, it used to be 50 characters. Whereas in the latest version, it is 255 characters, like 207 and so on. So which data type is system photo? Photo, actually we use OLE data type. What is looping? Looping simply say that repeat the task until the condition is false. Any two data types in programming language. So we have many data types. Any two can be int, char, yes. Write appropriate technical term for following. So can be a divider software, a program that can disinfect. So first is in divider software, and learning through the electronic media, that is e-learning. Now next is there G2G, so government to government. So it stands for government to government. Next is ISP. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. So this was about the full form. Next we have some that long answer question. What is network topology? So network topology simply say that so it is a layout of connected computers in networking. And in two types of network topology. So there are many types. Two we can mention here, star and the bus. What is antivirus software? Antivirus software, naming two popular antivirus software. When about the antivirus, as the name says, anti means it is opponent of each that virus. Whenever a computer is infected by the virus, then we have to use a software that is antivirus, and that is used to kill the viruses. Disinfect, we can say. Name any two popular antivirus software like Norton, Avira, Avast. So these are like what is cyber and cybercrime. So cyber, as the name says, it is related to law of the government or the country, and that laws uh, they are applied or implemented in the field of cyberspace, that is internet, to stop the crimes, to stop the illegal activities, etc. And regarding cybercrime, cybercrime simply said that all the illegal activities and the crimes like data stealing, hacking, penetration of computers, stooping around the files, so that becomes a cybercrime. What is virtual reality? Virtual reality simply say that, as the name says, it is virtual but looks like real. So it is the environment used by the computer or the simulation of environment in which we can uh, feel the same environment as we can see in our uh, real nature. So right in two areas where virtual reality are used. Education we can use there, gaming we can use there, some research we can use there. Okay. So what is the password? Password simply means that uh, set up some confidential characters, set up some secret characters. Right into importance of password protection. So what are the two importances of part of password protection? Uh, Password, obviously, it secures the data from unauthorized users, and password uh, also helps us as a safeguard from for the files from being stolen or the misused. So that is the concept of password. Not only that, sometimes if we are using logging in the system using the password, and if the password is being encrypted, then nobody can know what password was actually we are typing there. So the password also helps us to encrypt the data which is being transmitted to particular computer. What is DBMS? DBMS simply says that it stands for Database Management System. It is a software or the set of programs and that we can use to create our database, having tables and to store the data systematically in organized way. So what are the objects? When you talk about the object, then for objects it can be table. Yes, table is the first object. Then query, that is second object. Form, that is next object. Report, that is the next object. And next is what is validation text and the validation rule. Validation tests simply say that the text which appears when we go against of the uh, rule, we can say that validation is a field property or the property of a particular field, and it displays a particular text whatever we enter there, an error message uh, if the data entered is invalid. So that is validation text. And next is validation rule is the property of field which is used to limit the values. Means uh, we can prevent the data unnecessary data, or you say the data uh, can be entered only in particular range. So that is called validation rule. What is form? Writing two advantages of it. So form, it is an object in database access, and it provides a beautiful interface where what we can do, we can link to table, and so we can enter data easily. What are the advantages of form? So when you talk about the form, then its advantage, it can be uh, form advantage, it can be there. We can easily switch from current data or the record to any other data easily, one by one. We can uh, switch easily. And next, it can be there to enter the data into our table. It provides a beautiful interface, that is GUI. Using that, we can enter the data easily. We can also modify that. It's fine there because it overrides the data. What is record? Why is primary key necessary in record? So record, when you combine multiple fields for proper information, then that becomes record. And record, it exists in a row. Whereas what is primary key necessary? Sometimes in database, many records they can have same data type or same data, and sometimes whenever we go for the query, we get some that unnecessary issue that informations, and to prevent that, to search that, we need a primary key, and that primary key helps us to identify a particular uh, record. Yes, that's a unique identifier. Not only that much, it also is helpful to link the tables. Next is a 5 number output of given program. So let's copy it. Let's go to dry run. Here is the question here. So let's go for the table. A, it is 20. Next is here, this value is passed to sent to the this parameter, and here it is being printed. So printed So it is first 20. Yes. Okay. Let's use the loop here. Okay, let's use your loop. K equals to 1, 2, 5. So first A is there, 20. So 20 is printed there. Now next is A equals to A plus 10. So A equals to A plus 10. So it becomes A equals to A plus 10 equals to A is 20 plus 10 gives us 30. Yes. Now next time K equals to 1, this one. Next time it becomes K equals to 2 and the A becomes, so value has been changed, 30. So 30 here. So what this print prints? It prints 30. Next is here A equals to A plus 10. So that is 30 plus 10 equals to 40. Now it becomes K equals to 3. A becomes 40. So it prints 40 and so A equals to A plus 10 again. So it is 40 plus 10 equals to 50. K equals to 4. Yes, A equals to 50. So it prints 50. Now A equals to A plus 10 equals to 50 plus 10 equals to 60. Next time this is the last value of K. So that is 5 because it becomes 2 there. A equals to 60. It prints 60. Now A becomes 60 plus 10 is 70. Now the value of A becomes 6. 6 it is not here. Yes, it is only up to 5 and because of that it does not print the 70. So what we get there? We get 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So this is the output. So this is the output. I hope you understood about this one. Now let's run same program here using this QBASIC compiler. Let's paste here. Okay, let's save it first. Question number is 5. Let's run it. So look here, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And we just said that what is the output? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So this is how we can run. We can see the output. Now let's go for next question. So rewrite the given program after coding the bugs. So let's see what are the bugs, where are the bugs here. Let's see from top. Enter a word find there, display. So this is the first bug here. What it should be? It should be print, yes. That's all. So function ref find there, k equals to len and dollar to 1 step minus 1. This is also fine there. So b dollar equals to b dollar plus mid dollar and dollar. It comes from here k. So since it is asking us to reverse, so reverse means taking a particular character from particular location, and that location it comes from here. So k it should be here. So this is the second mistake. Next is here. Next method here. So okay, here inline dollar cannot be. So this is the mistake here. So third mistake we found there. Step minus 1. It is fine there. Now next is what we have to do. We have to assign this value to this function. Yes, in function it returns a value. We know that. And whenever we assign that, what we have to do there, we have to supply this value to this function. So opposite is written here. So this is the fourth mistake. So fourth mistake we found there. Now next is there. Answer the given questions. Write the function of int. Where is int? Here is. So what this int does there? Int after dividing n by 10, it takes only the integer part, and the fractional part, the decimal part, it is uh, discarded. How many times does the while when loop repeat if the value of n is 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3, yes, not equal to 0, first time. So it goes for execution. Second time it becomes 1, 2, yes, it converts into 1, 2. Second time it goes there. Next time it becomes 3. So next time 0. So it stops there. So totally 3 times it repeats. These are the conversions we can do easily. Uh, Next question is the 9 number. Write a program QBASIC who allows user to input length, breadth, and height of room. Then use sub procedure to calculate its volume and function procedure to calculate the area of 4 walls. Let's go for 9 number A. We are asked to find sub procedure. Sub procedure to calculate area of four walls. No, function procedure to calculate area of four walls, and sub procedure to calculate volume. So what is the formula of to find the area of walls? Let's see here. Area of four walls we can say. So formula is 2 as L plus B. Let's see that 2 as then L plus B. Yes. So this is the formula to find the area of four walls. Okay. So that's all. Let's save it. Let's run it. Let's give you 12, 13, 15. Where is the problem here? Okay, here is the problem. 12, 13, 14. Look here. So this is how we can find the. Yes. Okay. So this was the writing program. Let's go for next. There is data file. Has stored data under the field heading role, name, gender, English, Nepali, math, and computer. To display all the information of those marks in English is more than 40. So let's go for this B number 9B. record.dat. We have to use record.dat. Okay. Input channel number to first what we are asked there, roll number, name, gender. So roll, name, gender, roll, name, gender, English, Nepali, math, English, math, English, Nepali, math, English, Nepali, math. So Nepali, math and computer. Yes. So whose marks in English is more than 40? So if he is more than 40, then print roll, name, gender, E N M C. In div, that's all. Nothing more we have to do here. So that's all. Okay, let's save it. Let's go for next question. That is C. Two numbers distribute the greatest, and obviously we have already done this program. It's very simple, asking two numbers and the displaying the greatest. And next is we have to use the loop to find the sum of this series 1 to 10. So that's it. Okay, so this is how we can write the program, or we can get 50 or 50 in this. If you have any questions, you can ask me there. Uh, and you can join me every day. So 4 to 5 p.m. You can invite your friends and join me and learn more and more. Okay, thank you. Take care.